आराध्या के चरणों में नमन। सभी से मेरा सादर जय जिनेंद्र। My today's topic is COVID-19 and online school. Across the globe, the spread of novel coronavirus has led to profound changes in social interaction and organization, and education sector has not been immune. While the primary student population appears to be a lower mortality risk category compared to older adults, pandemic precautions called social distancing or physical distancing have attempted to reduce interpersonal contact and thereby minimize the kind of community transmission that could develop quickly in dense social networks like university campus. Sometimes in the second week of March, state government across the country began shutting down schools and colleges temporarily as a measure to contain the spread of novel coronavirus. It's close to a month and there is no certainty when they will reopen. This is a crucial time for the education sector. Board examination, nursery school admissions, entrance test of various universities and competitive examination, among others, are all held during this period. As the days pass by with no immediate solution to stop the outbreak of COVID-19, school and university closures will not only have a short-term impact on the continuity of learning for more than 285 million young learners in India, but also engender far-reaching economic and societal consequences. Online learning or e-learning offers highly effective learning environment. It offers complementary intellectual reinforcements that allow students to study 24/7 and work at their own place. E-learning is available in any location with an internet connection. Students can attend using their devices. E-learning has also many limitations. Lack of access, whether it be for economical or logistic reason, will exclude otherwise eligible students from the course. This is a significant issue in rural and lower social-economic neighborhoods. Computer literacy is also important for e-learning. Both students and facilitators must possess a minimum level of computer knowledge in order to function successfully in online environment. However, in this time of crisis, a well-rounded and effective educational practice is what is needed for the young minds for capacity building. It will develop skills that will drive their employability, productivity, health and well-being in the decades to come and ensure the overall progress of India. At last and not the least, I request everyone to stay at home and stay safe, and by the grace of Lord Mahavira, this virus will end up soon. Jai Jinendra.